All right, I have gotten this Flamethrower 3, and when I got it, I looked at it, and my other coil has connectors on here, and this one does not have them. So what I did is I went to my old Bosch coil, and I detached these little 3-prong connectors from both sides of the coil, and I'm gonna just put them on here because I know when I get this coil going, and I just ordered on J-Bugs, I just ordered a one of those fuel block offs that holds your coil, since it won't go onto my fan shroud without drilling some holes. So here I go, just putting on these things. They're just going to have the connections for, you know, the distributor for the tachometer and all that. And since I already have the connectors on my other motor, and they all use these types of connectors, I didn't want to switch them to the O ring or whatever would go on here without it. So this is just a simple little connection to get these guys again onto the Flamethrower 3. Whoops, down here. And so, as I mentioned, I don't have anywhere on this fan shroud to put the coil here. Normally this would be here, and I have a thing on my other one where it holds it vertically like this to get out of the way of the dual carb bar. But what I did is I got a thing that holds it on the fuel block off plate, so that's going to be, you know, holding it down more like here on the motor. Also, I'm going to have to mock up the depth of my alternator pulley so that I know how many shims to put on for my pulley. So, you know, when I look at this guy, it's going to fit on here just like this. And that looks good. But I'll just have to put this over my oil cooler for the doghouse and see if I can get it to almost the location it will be. Put this on the alternator stand. Once I get this pulley on here, then I can get my pulley shims on the lower pulley, and then I can put the sand seal on the lower pulley, and this will also possibly get some shims I have just to get that fan belt lined up. All right.